Hi, welcome back to Romania. In this episode, I had an opportunity to visit one of my old friend from the university. This is Nicu. And he lives in a mountain village in Romania. The village is called Olteni, and it's one of the beautiful places near Bucharest. It's about an hour from the Bucharest. This is the beautiful house Nicu has made. Actually, his grandmother's house was standing here at the same place, and I have visited this place when I was in the university. The adjacent building near the house is the cow shed. The building is made in such a way that the top bit can be used to stock hay, especially for winter, and the bottom bit is for the animals to live. And there is enough space for cows and goats and other animals to live. Let's go and talk to Nicu. He has a story about me, first of all. Then we're going to walk around in his village. In the end, he has promised to cook some special food for us. Let's join. All around the world is going to see you.
Okay.
Coming to your village.
30 years ago. Almost 30
years
years ago.
And this tree was there. This is an apple tree.
Oh, the pear tree.
This is a pear tree.
There was another one in here. Right here. So probably they cut it off when we put the water pipe. So, and there was like a fence here, and here was a garden for vegetables. And I told you, you go and get some strawberries. So, and then I don't know, I was doing something. Next thing I've seen you, you were somewhere here, looking like that into the tree. And I said, what the hell are you doing there? And then he said, I'm looking for strawberries. And the strawberries are not in the tree. You are sitting on them. You are stepping on them.
So I kept looking at the trees. I couldn't find the strawberries. Then Nicu came outside. He said, where is the strawberries? I said, it's not in the tree. I can't find it. Then he said, I was almost smashed all of them because I was walking around the strawberry bushes. Now join with us to walk around the village. And this is your vegetable garden. Greenhouse? Wow, what do you have inside? Oh yes. Oh yeah, tomatoes are still there. It's winter here, so most of the stuff is frozen. I can vaguely remember these trees, but we walked here, isn't it? This is your land, Nicu.
Yeah. From here to somewhere there.
It's a huge land. And this is from your grandparents.
Yeah.
You lived here. So how long your family been living in this village?
Well, we don't have this kind of trucks, so I think going back to what I remember, grandmother told me at least her grandparents were here in the village. At least when at the turn of the century, or the turn to 20th century, they were here.
20th century.
Yeah, the turn.
So how was the life in a village during the communist time? How old were you when Ceausescu's regime has finished?
Communism, and my first 20 years of life were.
That is the first fall. Sorry, I couldn't catch the whole of it in the camera.
Honey, you don't need anything. This just so well.
If you would have a statistician, you say if you carry a stick, you have 50% chance to fall.
If you carry a stick.
I'm definitely gonna be the next one to cool down. Go on the side, one go like
Good, you run down.
How?
Run.
No!
Run down.
What to stop this? Turn on the side.
Run!
Run.
Run, Vicky, run! Well, in Romania there are two kinds of villages. In some of the villages they made kolkhoz, meaning that they put the agricultural land together and they said, that all the people work the same land and they get
The communal
a proportion of
What's
the
that called, Hassan?
contribution. Kolkhoz is the Russian name for it because it originated in Russia.
The collective agriculture.
My grandmother worked in that unit as a team manager. Initially it was good, It turned out that it was, I mean, they've got quite a lot of production because they involve tractors and so on. But as things progressed, then the communists wanted to have more of the production. So and they ended up not receiving a lot, working a lot and getting almost nothing. So it was like really, because they would take all the crops and then sell them to different countries. Romania was one of the fewest countries in the world who didn't have debts.
Once debts free, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that didn't last too long.
Well, of course, because it was at the end of 80s, and then in the 90s we started again borrowing money.
Because by that time they decided to get rid of Ceausescu.
Yeah. Around Christmas, he was killed.
Around Christmas, yeah, roughly the same time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Roughly this time.
On Christmas Day, actually.
Yeah.
They killed him.
So he finished the debts and he didn't last too long. You know who planned it? International banks. Who knows?
We used to,
Pristine
in old
water.
times, there were not a lot of trash, so people didn't trash.
Uh-huh.
And we used to swim in this.
Swim here.
In summer, we would take stones
Uh-huh.
and we would
You
take
build?
pieces of grass
Yeah.
and we put between the stones and we could make a small dam.
Damn.
And I would make it like a small summer pool. So it's like in the middle of nowhere. It's very peaceful here.
So these are like private land. People lived in these houses in your village.
When did they leave?
I think when they died. Their
Oh.
children moved someplace else.
Great idea to renovate.
That kind of.
This is a two-story house. This is, I don't think that's for animal. For on the top, look like
On
people
top
live.
is for hay. Like
Hey, this one,
Yeah.
how they built it. There's
Yeah.
piece of wood.
So you put this pylon,
Yeah.
and then you put wood, and then you stuck.
So you build the structure.
stuck in
Oh, amazing.
clay.
And that's
That was for chicken.
chicken. Two entrances. And what is here? Oh, here as well. Some more place. And look, the chicken been physically living there, like fossilized chicken poo here. And this is another outer house, house of those people. Tile roof. Look at the windows and look at the way they build it. And a small window here. Tiles. This is the same tile that we saw in Sri Lanka. This house is collapsing. Electric was there. Oh wow. And the house had the blue paint. Foundations made out of kind of boulders or rock. Ah, this is the original fountain. Look, made out of
A well.
Yeah, well, yeah.
well, and water is still there.
Maybe work.
Fresh air and walking uphill. Not easy, especially in the winter. Firewood. Aici e. Asta e al tău, nu?
Nu, nu. O știi că tot aia era.
Da. Și funcționează. Apă portabilă. This is drinking water. Can I open it? Have a look. Oh.
The point is like this, huh?
That's an amazing film.
And it used to have two buckets with a chain.
Okay.
So one goes up, one goes down.
One goes down.
Now it's no longer. And probably the bucket is full of holes, so by the time it reaches up, it won't be.
Still coming. Oh, it's really deep, man. Still coming. Water, 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 water. Bucket has holes and it's going up.
It's empty, yeah.
It's empty.
It's really deep. Because the water was good, but the problem is you need to pump it all the time. So when people would come here in the evening, there would have been a lot of people here just to get water. So it was like a social place. Cows came here. There was a big wooden.
And you keep it closed.
Recipient, like 2 meters long, and they cut into a hole, and then they put water, and it would go through a pipe in there, so the cows would drink from there.
We decided to walk the other side of the village. This is a beautiful house. I think this should have been there for years.
Sorry?
This one is a beautiful house.
Oh,
Old.
yeah, I think it's old. I will show you another house which was like really beautiful.
So wood is really important still, isn't it? This time, people still use wood to heat the houses in the winter.
Yeah.
Why don't they use?
Everybody here uses.
Why don't they use gas here in this village?
Because there is no gas pipe.
Ah, you don't have gas
There's
pipe.
no connection to the gas.
What about electricity?
Electricity it is, but it's expensive. Well, this is the house I'm telling you. This house, I think it's already 100 years old.
But nobody lives here.
Yeah, nobody
just collapsed.
lives now, so the people left. And now they broke the windows, they didn't care, the water, the rain goes in.
Look, this house is for sale.
Yeah. This is a nice one because you have.
If anybody want to buy, you can see the number here.
That corner, you see, and it goes pretty high up there. So you have this, this opening
Whole
to the
big
street.
area.
It's good.
Old houses, they have this place to keep the hay on the top, isn't it?
Yeah, because they used to have animals.
Another house for sale.
Ah, this is another one. Că nu mai știu, să fie niște oameni care să spună. De altă parte nu e atât de greu să o reinventezi.
Reinventezi, da.
Și cred că există locuri unde sunt corectate undeva tehnologiile
Tehnologiile
astea.
astea,
Poți să citești
Și
despre ele.
acolo ei tot au în casa aia veche. Let's try Nicu's style.
It's
Cooking
not, it's like
fish.
I've seen it from Greece. This is sea breams, quite sizable, and then I put them some spices, mainly pepper and oregano and olive oil. And now
Oh my
I
god.
will cover them in salt.
The scales still, isn't it? It's not clean.
Well, the sea breams don't have scales.
Yeah.
We'll peel it with the skin. And you see
Again, another calendar. He makes his own pictures and makes his calendars. This one, another one. And this is also a nice picture. Calendar. That's his daughter skiing. Another calendar. It's like when they climbed up Himalayas. Oh, it's actually Himalayas, huh?
What? Come on,
K2. Is it
Yeah,
K2?
Chukash. You saw it when.
This is a really good idea for you guys as well. You can make your own calendar. All his pictures. And let's see. Look at that. Look at that picture. Look at that. It's him.
Yeah.
And
That's.
it's a toothpick, no?
Yeah. Toothpick.
Yeah.
But I don't know. This time, yeah, it goes very. Here is the vertebral, but it's really going.
So it's going down. The toothpick
Well,
is going
I
down.
I know. I would leave it more.
And it's done. It's less than half an hour. Oh, my hand. So it's going easy.
Yeah. That means it's done.
It's done.
Okay.
No, that's fine. Wonderful. So this is your boil.
If they some of them are bigger and
Yeah,
some of
they
them
don't.
are smaller, they don't boil the same way, huh?
It's a really interesting potato thing invented by Nicu. Now he is heating up some butter. Oh, you put salt now. But salt wouldn't have gone inside, isn't it? It's true. But anyway, when you cook the fish initially, I asked him whether you put maximum heat. He said no, you never put maximum heat. You put about 160 or 180 degrees. Like leaves.
Leaves, yeah.
Dried rosemary leaf. Oh, that's Sichuan pepper.
Yeah.
Oh yes. That's a very good idea. It looks like eggs, but it's not egg anyway, it's butter.
Ah, should be okay.
The mix leaves, radish, and some chili. They're sweet chilies, aren't they? Oil.
I put some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, oil and salt.
Ready. Let's see. Okay, you take the skin out.